जैसे पिछली बार था ना, सच या सनसनी, क्योंकि बार हमारा है सच बनेगा, सच भी बनेगा सनसनी या सच बनेगा सनसनी। आपको थोड़ी देर की कंफ्यूज हो जाएगी कौन सच है बोल रहा है, कौन सनसनी फैला रहा है, क्योंकि एक सबके किरदारों में एक है शिफ्ट हो रहा है, क्योंकि कहानी में कुछ शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं, कुछ नई चीज़ें जुड़ रही हैं, कुछ नए आयाम जुड़ रहे हैं उन किरदारों में, तो थोड़ा कन्फ्यूजन होने वाला है सबके साथ।
I've always been a science fiction fan. So this is something I feel that today जो आज का जो ज़माना है, the age that we are living in, for me it's like science fiction coming true. So this was something that you read in science fiction, that ये होगा, data will be used like this and stuff like that, where before a criminal is a criminal, before a crime is committed, they'll be catching the person. All those things were science fiction. But more and more as we live in today's day and age, we see science fiction becoming the reality.
Even if आप नहीं रिप्रेजेंट करने वाले हो, मेरे ख्याल से बहुत सारे लोग जानते हैं उस वर्ल्ड को लेके, क्योंकि इट्स ऑन योर फेस एक्चुअली। पर जब आप करते हो उन किरदारों को, तो वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा हिट करते हैं आपको, क्योंकि तब समझ में आता है कि उन शब्दों की क्या पावर हो सकती है, जो आप एक न्यूज़ रूम में बैठ के ऐसे ही कह सकते हैं।
Radha Bhargav is somebody who is really trying to discover herself and find her place as a news reporter, as a journalist in this world. And there's so much inner conflict, especially because she's been put in jail in season 1, and she has certain ideas and principles that have not necessarily got her to where she wanted to. So now she feels like, अभी मुझे system बदलना है तो हाथ भी गंदे करने पड़ेंगे. That is a frame of mind. And I especially enjoy playing those scenes of confrontation with Jaideep, because there's so many layers to it, because essentially they're not enemies. They're absolutely not enemies. Jaideep sees himself in Radha, and Radha admires and respects him, but she just feels like perhaps he's, gone off track. So in season 2, Radha is back and has taken things very personally, and I feel like she goes a little crazy and gets carried away.
Genuinely, पिछले कुछ सालों से there is no relationship as TV channels, news channels, but you have so many options to be aware about the situation, about the news, political, social, sports, wherever. And I have journalist friends from my college time also, and recent में जो बनते हैं आपके, you always can call them and ask them, is it true or not?
I feel like I get my news from several sources, not just one. My grandmother's room always has the television on, so invariably, I'm listening to things. But I often feel like I see more ads, and it's a little chaotic for me to watch news or television for a longer time. So I think I also end up getting it from different sources, and eventually only once I've verified it enough to actually believe it, because it's hard to tell.